Hi guys! Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to use Cohesive AI. Are you wondering on how to navigate the Cohesive AI? Well, just sit back and relax because this video will help you to broaden your understanding on how to use Cohesive AI. All you need to do, guys, is just to follow these steps and watch this video until the end. So to start with, let us open our phone and go to Google Chrome. So at the search engine, let us just type cohesive, that's so. Alright, so after that one, guys, you can now already start in logging in. So let's stop this sign up. Alright, we can click the sign up because in logging in or in signing up, this is the same. The process is the same. So let's start. Let us continue with the Google and then let us now choose an account or an email account. And after that one, let us wait for a moment. So now you are already logged in to Cohesive AI. You can now start browsing or using the Cohesive AI. So if you have any questions about in Cohesive AI, so you can just simply type what you want. Alright? For example, let us ask, give me a, alright? So give me an example. Give me an example of a bird. Alright, so this is just an example. So after that one, guys, after typing, so you can now just simply tap this go and let us wait for the answer. Okay, so it says here, a bird is a warm-blooded vertebrate with feathers, wings, and a beak. It lays eggs and is adapted for flight. An example of a bird is a bald eagle. Alright, so as you can see, guys, Cohesive AI gives the answer of your questions. Okay, so if you want to add another question, you can just simply tap this or type this, okay, over here. Alright, so now if you want also to explore another features of this Cohesive AI, guys, you can just simply browse this because over here, the templates here, you can ask for a script for YouTube video, full blog generator, Instagram caption, and the rest. Alright, so there are a lot of templates for you to choose from. So all you have to do is just to select from these templates. Alright, so there you go, guys. This is on how to use Cohesive AI. So if you want to know on how to use Cohesive AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to use Cohesive AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!